Nice
Good to see you.
Yeah.
How are you? Give me your shot.
Yes.
So at Kineon, we really pride ourselves on delivering a quality product, and our mission is to positively impact the largest number of people we can in the best way possible. And in order to do this, it's really important that from the ground up, we build a quality product. That is from literally choosing the best LED, the best laser developer. Then that's building the best product around it and the best quality components, and ensuring that our incoming QC, our products when they arrive, the sub-assemblies, the little components are the best quality. And then when we build it up, the quality is there, and then we are delivering the best quality and the best results to our customers all around the world. And at Kineon, this is what we pride ourselves on the most. We spend a lot of investment in our internal team, science and our tech team, but also with our partners here in Asia and all around the world in manufacturing, in design, and in sourcing the best components. Thank you very much for being a customer, and we look forward to welcoming you to try our current products now and our future product ranges of the best quality in the world.